Alam niyo mga
How
kabatas
did the
natin, no?
president
Ang problema kasi dito, no? Parang taga-react na lang. Okay? Taga-react na lang yung presidente through Attorney Claire Castro. Yung classroom construction at yung everything, mga kabatas natin, under the Marcos administration is bad news.
How did the president react to the news that the DPWH was only able to build 22 classrooms this year? Can we
Mga
expect
kabatas
anyone
natin,
to
imagine
be held
that.
accountable for this number?
Only 22 classrooms this year. 22 classrooms lang. Classrooms lang yan, mga kabatas natin, ha? Hindi yan buildings. Hindi yan school buildings. Those are merely classrooms. Pag classroom, mga kabatas natin, kwarto lang yan. Ibig sabihin, sa isang taon, ang nagawa lang nila, 22 na classrooms. Gosh! How pathetic is that?